Hey everyone, Tracy here, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to show you a really cool feature in Facebook ads that actually allows you to retarget people who have visited your website with ads on Facebook. I don't know if you've noticed recently, when you're on Facebook and you go browsing or surfing other websites, when you come back to Facebook, there's almost instantly an ad that is targeting you for something that you were just looking at. And it can be kind of freaky when you first see it because you're wondering, how did that happen? You know, I was just on Amazon, for example, looking at a certain product, maybe a camera or something, and then when I came back to Facebook, that same exact camera was then in my news feed being promoted to me. And this is what retargeting is. Basically, it is capturing visitors on your website and putting them into a custom audience on Facebook in your Facebook ads, and then it allows you to then go ahead and expose those people to your website, your brand, your products, whatever it is you want to expose them to again and again, in order to increase the likelihood of them opting in as a lead or buying whatever products and services it is that you're trying to sell. So it's really powerful because people who come to your website are already somewhat interested in what it is you have to offer, and oftentimes they just need some more exposure in order to actually convert or buy from you. And so I want to show you quickly how you can do this with your own website so that you can start targeting your website visitors through Facebook ads as well. So basically what you want to do is go to your Facebook Ads Manager. All you have to do to get there is go to facebook.com/ads/manage, and then that's going to pull up your Ads Manager. From there, what you need to do is come over to this section on the left-hand side, and you're going to simply click Audiences. And previously, what you had to do was use third-party tools in order to create these custom audiences from your website, but Facebook decided to just incorporate that into their own ad managers as well. So now you don't have to pay any extra third-party service in order to use this feature. So it's really cool because now you're able to just do it on your own and create whatever kinds of ads you want to target to these people. So once you're on the audiences, you're just going to click Create Audience, and then you're going to click Custom Audience. And for your website, what you want to do is click Custom Audience from your website. And what they're going to do is they're going to give you a pixel code here, and they're going to have you accept the terms of service. So you can actually get the pixel code right away, and because this is going to be the same code no matter what. You're only going to put this on your website once, so you just can pull it up here, and you just click it, right click, click copy, and then what you want to do is you want to put this code into the head of your website. And so most people are probably using WordPress. That's what we're using, so that's how I'm going to show you how to do it. And to do that on your WordPress site, what you need to do is go to the WordPress admin panel for your site, and you're going to want to get a plugin called Open Hook. This will allow you to just simply put this code into the head of your website. So if you don't have this plugin, all you have to do is go to Google, type in Open Hook plugin, and it's going to be the first choice, and it's a free plugin. You're going to download it and then just install it just as you do all your other plugins on WordPress, and then activate that plugin. And once it's activated, it's going to show up in your settings on WordPress. So you're just going to go down to your settings and then click on Open Hook, and that's what I have open right here. And to put this into the head of your website, you want to make sure you click WordPress to make that an active hook group. I have this clicked, Visualize Hooks, that's up to you, and I have one at a time clicked. And then you click Save Changes, and then you're going to click over here on WordPress, and you're going to see where it says Hook Selection. Click this, click WordPress Head, and this is simply where you're going to copy and paste that code that you just got from Facebook. And that's all you have to do. It's going to automatically put that into your website's head section for you. So it's really simple to do. Once you put that in, just click Save Changes, and it actually can take Facebook a little bit of time to pick up that code on your website. So when we head back over to Audiences and you click create audience, you're going to go through this step, but whenever you're done, it might say that the pixel is not found, but just give it some time. I think it took a few hours for it to pick up on ours, and then you'll be all set to go. So don't worry if it says pixel not found. As long as you did those steps I just showed you, the pixel is on your website, and it'll just take some time for Facebook to find it. So now that we're on the create custom audience, you can name it whatever you want. Maybe name it whatever your website's named, or whatever it is that you're trying to target. Same thing with description. You've already gotten your audience pixel, so you don't need to click that here. And now here's the cool part. You can either choose to just capture all website visitors into a custom audience, meaning anyone who clicks on any page or any post on your website will get put into this custom audience, and that's what we have it set on for now. But you can also click people visiting specific pages and add URLs and keywords related to certain things that you're trying to promote on your site. So let's say you're promoting a product and you have a certain URL on your site directly for that product, and you want to be able to retarget people who have already shown interest in that product. You can do that here. So then when you're creating ads, you know exactly what those people visited your website for, and you can create ads customized directly at people interested in that product. Same thing for capture pages, landing pages, blog posts, whatever it is. You can get really specific here and basically group your visitors into certain sections. But for now, just going to leave it on all website visitors. Since we're just starting, we really want to just be able to expose people who have visited our website to our brand over and over, because I know for us and just human nature in general, if you're exposed to someone or a product or a brand multiple times, you're going to be more likely to build trust with that brand and over time be more interested in buying. So all those people who are maybe clicking on your website right now and clicking out, you now have a chance to recapture those people as leads or as buyers for your product or service. So this is really powerful, so that you're not just wasting traffic, you're able to utilize it, over and over again, however you wish. And for this part here, save for, it says 30 days. That's what it said as the default. This means that this audience will only keep people who have visited your site within the last 30 days. I think Facebook allows you to go up to 180 days, which means you're targeting people who have visited your site within 180 days. We're testing at 30 days right now, just because the fresher the visit, the more likely they are still going to be interested in whatever it is that you're offering. If you go back too far, people might not remember that they visited your site, or they might not be familiar, so that might be too long of a time to spend your Facebook advertising dollars on. So for now, we have ours on 30 days, but feel free to do it however you want. And then you're just going to simply click create. And then once it's created, it's going to show up here in your audience. And like I said, availability, we have just done ours, so ours says audience too small. It's waiting for enough visitors to actually start creating the audience, and once I think it hits 20 people, then we can start promoting ads to it. But we're going to let it build up a little bit more. And yours could also say the pixel isn't there, but like I said, give it a few hours. I think they say give it up to 48 or 72 hours for Facebook to pick up the pixel, and then it will start collecting all of the visitors to your site. And once that happens, you'll be able to simply click create ad under this advertise section, and you'll be able to start doing promoted posts. You can start redirecting them to other websites. You can simply just try and get likes from these people so that they can be exposed to your brand daily. Whatever your objective is, you can create an ad for and then retarget those visitors. So as you can see, this is really powerful. We're going to go into some more detailed tutorials as we venture into this more as well, but I just wanted to shoot this video to show you how to do it as well. If you have a website of your own and you feel like you're not really maximizing exposure to anyone who visits that website, this is a really great way to do it. So stay tuned for some more tutorials, and be sure to check out our blog. The links in the below in the description, and I will see you on the next tutorial.